Hello students, let us start with part 6 of chapter 3 periodic trends in chemical properties. In this portion we will study very important factor anomalous properties of second period elements. What is periodicity of valence or oxidation state? It is defined as the number of electron in the outermost shell of the elements or equal 8 minus the number of electron in the outermost shell. This criteria you have already studied in term of oxidation state in your lower classes where you were used this formula to find the valency. Now it tells us about the chemical reactivity of the elements. Trends in periodic table. The valency first increases then decreases from left to right in a period. The valency remains constant from top to bottom in a period. Nowadays we use oxidation state in place of valence. Now, metallic character. The tendency of an element to lose electrons and form positive ions is called electropositive or metallic character. In fact, metallic character means loss of electron and gain of positive charge. The elements having lower ionization energies have higher tendency to lose electrons. Thus, they are electropositive or metallic in their behavior. Metallic character increases down the group due to increase in atomic size and decreases along the period. So reactivity of the metals decreased from left to right in a and increases from top to bottom in the group. Basic character of oxides increases down the group. Now, what is non-metallic character? The tendency of an element to accept electrons to form an anion is called its non-metallic or electronegative character. So, the elements having high electronegativity will have high tendency to gain electrons and form anions. So, the elements in the upper right hand portion of the periodic table are electronegative or non-metallic in nature. So, dear students, in the coming slide, you have few questions to solve based upon the chapter. So, done. Now, let us do some questions based upon these factors. Question number 1. Considering the atomic number and position in the periodic table, arrange the following elements in the increasing order of metallic character. And which elements you have to arrange? Silicon, beryllium, magnesium, sodium, potassium. Which of the following species has the largest and the smallest size? Magnesium, magnesium plus 2. Aluminium, aluminium plus 3. In this case, you have to apply concept of cations are smaller in size and anions are larger in size. Which of the following will have the most negative electron gain enthalpy and which has the least negative? Phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, fluorine. Next question. Explain why cations are smaller and anions are larger in radii than their parent atoms. And last question, what is the significance of the term isolated gaseous atom and ground state while defining the ionization enthalpy and electron gain enthalpy? So dear student, you just write down on your notebooks. I am dictating the difference between electron gain enthalpy and electron negativity. So write down electron gain enthalpy means it is the tendency of an isolated gaseous atom to attract an electron. But electronegativity, it is the tendency of an atom in a molecule to attract the shared pair of electron. Now, number 2, electron gain enthalpy can be experimentally measured in terms of kilojoule per mole and electronegativity cannot be measured experimentally. Electron gain enthalpy is the property of an isolated atom. Electronegativity, it is the property of a bonded atom. So try to maintain your notebooks and recapitulate the chapter. Okay, thank you so much.